Today, we are diving into the cutting-edge world of robotics with X's latest innovation, the world model. Imagine robots that can not only perform tasks but predict complex interactions and simulate multiple futures. Sounds incredible, right? Well, let's get into it. The world model is an AI-powered virtual simulator designed to help robots predict and understand interactions with objects. Trained on thousands of hours of real-world data from X's humanoid robots, it can handle everything from rigid objects like boxes to more complex things like deformable objects, think folding laundry or opening drawers. The real magic? It can generate multiple outcomes from the same starting point. Want to see how? Watch as the model simulates a robot opening doors or grasping objects in different scenarios. Each action leads to a diverse outcome, giving the robot the flexibility to adapt to real-world challenges. X isn't stopping there. They're releasing over 100 hours of data, pre-trained models, and even offering cash prizes to researchers who can help solve challenges like compression and evaluation. This is a huge opportunity for anyone passionate about pushing AI and robotics forward. From household chores to more complex tasks, this world model will enhance the capabilities of X's newly unveiled Neo-Beta humanoid robot. It's not just about robots doing work, it's about making them smarter and more adaptable. So, whether you're a robotics enthusiast or just curious about the future of AI, the X world model is something to keep your eyes on. If you're interested in helping accelerate this field, check out the challenges X has launched with some serious cash prizes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the future of technology.